At the Institute for Tribal Environmental Professionals, we have a variety of QA and QAPP and data validation tools available for you. So just to give you an overview of our general philosophy, over the years we've learned that the best way to provide QA assistance is in the form of online courses and one-on-one professional assistance. We used to offer classroom courses in QAPP writing, but what we found is that writing a QAPP takes a lot of time, and it takes more than one person because there's always more than one person involved in the project. So we have a variety of tools for people, including the online course QA Fundamentals. We have a QAPP writing course, which is very long because we want to provide a lot of resources for people, no matter whether you're monitoring for air, whether you're monitoring for water, whether you're monitoring for indoor radon, indoor environments. We have a lot of different examples and tools and videos for you explaining the different parts of a QAPP and all the different steps in ensuring that your data are legally defensible. So we've got online QA fundamentals and QAPP writing. In addition, we have several other tools, including an online library of quality-related resources, SOPs, QC checklists, reports that tribal agencies as well as some state and county agencies have generously shared with us for you to use as a starting point for your own documentation. And we also have professional assistance and training in the use of data management tools. So we have CREST, the Quality Review and Exchange System for Tribes, and I'll talk about that. We have the Tribal Data Toolbox, which is a Microsoft Access database specifically designed for air monitoring that helps you review your data, do validation checks of your data, make sure that your data are not exceeding certain limits, all those sorts of checks that you can do in Tribal Data Toolbox as well as CREST, and then export your data in a form that is usable for you, as well as generating AQS formatted data, which is EPA's database that air monitoring data needs to be uploaded to. Our resources also include a QAPP writing tool called TurboQAPP. And the TurboQAPP tool is basically a program that opens up forms and you sequentially add your information. And the really great thing about TurboQAPP is that it begins with the fundamental question of why are we making these measurements, which is basically the data quality objectives process. So it starts off with element 7 and goes through the 7 steps of the data quality objectives process. And basically you type in your answers and you have then documented the results of your DQO development. And then it leads you through a series of screens. Right now, it's just no longer financially feasible for Lakes Environmental to support it. So we need funds to migrate it to an open source platform. So similar to the other tools we provide, like CREST, which is the online data streaming portal and analysis system, or Tribal Data Toolbox, which is the database that you install on your computer to manage your air monitoring data. We do have some training videos on how to use it. So that's TurboQAPP.